Just think your SUV costs 20 lakh and think again. Once you factor in taxes, hidden charges, you're shelling out nearly 30 lakhs, just 30 lakhs, imagine. And that's before hitting the road. Join me, Shuli Das, as I decode India's car tax maze, revealing why middle class dreams now come with heavy duty price tags. Owning an SUV in India isn't just about saying or saving up. It's about navigating a maze of taxes, loads of cess and hidden charges. While a 20 lakh ex showroom price might sound doable, the reality bites hard. You are paying nearly 30 lakhs before even registering the car. Here's why. SUV attracts 28% GST, split that between SGST and CGST plus a 22% compensation cess. On top of that, there is road tax, insurance, accessories, FASTag, extended warranty, and the list keeps growing. The result? Almost half the money goes directly to the government. Now compare that to UAE, just 5%, or US, up to 8.25%. That's a massive difference, especially when you consider India's growing car culture, surging EMIs, and worsening traffic and pollution. Despite this, SUVs have become India's go-to family car. In the last 8 years, sales have leapt from 16 to 49%, just imagine. But ask the average middle class buyer and they'll say it still feels like a luxury. And we are overpaying for the drive of our dreams. SUV taxed at 50% more than that in India. 10 lakh, more than 10 lakh added to 20 lakh SUV. UAE, US tax SUV at 5 to 8%. Rising registration insurance extras. SUV sales are up by 3 times in 8 years. Car means dream and you want to have it. In a nation obsessed with wheels and aspirations, car ownership often feels like paying a luxury tax on a necessity. With rising costs, relentless demand, the Indian middle class is just stuck at a crossroad. Stay tuned with me as I explore whether our dream drives are worth the price. We'll explore further. Just let me know your thoughts in the comment section.